Hello, Queen Squad family. This is me, the Queen Motivator. As you know that you have to start somewhere to be somewhere. So I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm doing the videos, the different ones. You can check my other videos. So today I decided to do this small video. Please bear with me. Don't judge. Just subscribe if you want to support me. Like and share the positive comment. Alright? Kuhle nje ukusiza umuntu kusuka ngaphakathi enhlizweni yakho. Ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke nizoyijabulela le video engiyenza namhlanje lapho ngizenzela khona ukudla ngenzela abantwana nje ukuthi badle then bese ngiwasha izitsha kuphela guys. One step at a time, one step at a time. I'm trying guys. Please don't judge. Just support if you like these videos. Thank you. Remember to what? To do subscription to this channel. Ukuze uNkulunkulu akubusise izala nto leyo because mawusize mina uzisize wena. Kanjani na ngokuthi kwehla ibusiso kuwe uyayizwa indaba. Yebo kunjalo guys, njengoba ubona-ke manje umntanami ungenzela i-pink salt le engangikhuluma ngayo ukuthi lapha yonke inkinga ngoba kusesekuseni ngizophuza yona-ke before ngidle ukudla kwami kwasekuseni. In my description down below, check the link for the products or you want to be a distributor, make your profits. Okay? Thank you. Yes, now it's time to wash dishes. Mhlawumbe uyazibuza ukuthi why ngingawashisi untomkhulu wami? No, fanele aphumule iy'kolo zivaliwe. Kade ngimfukuzisa izolo. So ngithi nje mangiziwashe mina-ke. please guys, if kuwukuthi maybe awunayo that thing yokuthi ungisize lana, akunankinga, but ngiyacela bandla ukuthi ngiyikhulise i-channel yami. Ngiyazi ngicela njalo, but ngiyanicela, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, like and share the positive comment. Okay guys, sengiqedile-ke manje. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Subscribe, like and share the positive comment. If you want to sell something like helping people or your community, check the link in my description. Start making money today. Be your own boss, because something better awaits us if you have courage to reach for it, to work for it, and to fight for it. I don't know English. English knows me. Check my other videos to be happy with me. Thank you.